right, so let's give it up for the Igbopedia Instagram page. That's all right, give it up for Igbopedia. All right, thanks a lot, Igbopedia, for sending in, I'm guessing maybe it's your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So Igbopedia sent in the name Chisom. Come on, everybody say that with me. Chisom. Good. All right, you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Chi in this context means God. So means to follow, basically, right? To follow along or to be with. You know what I'm saying? So it's like to follow or to be with, follow behind, you know, escort, things like that, right? Like to just be around, like to follow someone, to go somewhere with someone, right? And that sound, the M at the end, signifies that you're talking about yourself, right? So you put all those together, Chisom, and that means God follows me. But it's more like God is walking with me. You know what I'm saying? It's like he's my bodyguard. He's my protection. He's escorting me through life. God follows me. God is my defender. He's defending me. He follows me. He's always with me. God is my defender. Chisom. Chisom's names give them the power to be courageous, strong-willed, and very capable leaders. Tag and share this video with all the Chisoms that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil no wakwezo.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about that name? Chisom, isn't it a really good one? If you would like an Igbo name similar to this, let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram is also linked there, so you can send me a private DM. Private DM might work as well too, because then I can ask you some questions if you would like an Igbo name. Let's say there's some specific things, some personality traits and things like that that you would like in a name. I can give you the closest matching Igbo name to that name, right? If you are maybe even expecting a child and you want to give that child a name from the ancestors, a name from an African culture, let me know. Let me know what types of things you would like to speak into that child's life, the things that you'd like to manifest into their life. In our culture, we believe that you're invoking the power behind that name every time it's called. So anytime you call your child's name, or anytime someone calls you by your new Igbo middle name, right? They're invoking the power behind that name. You get what I'm saying? So anything that you would like to speak into existence, anything that you would like to manifest into your life, you know what I'm saying? Let me know and I can give you the closest matching Igbo name for that on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And if you are Igbo, if you would like your name highlighted, I can give you, I can highlight your name on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day. So it's a wonderful thing for blessings and strength from God to be released anytime someone says your name. That's why I'm really enthusiastic about Igbo names. So if you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then tap it really lightly instead, all right? So please share this video with a friend, the Chisoms that you know, or anyone who might be interested in a YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. All the likes, the comments, and the shares go a really long way in helping the YouTube algorithm send this content out to people just like you who might be interested in this. So I really appreciate all the likes and the comments. The DM section, the DMs from my Instagram are available, and the comment section is something I'm looking forward to taking a look at. Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say about this name and this series. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Every like and comment goes a really long way. Thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.